Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to be tackling is one of the most notorious problems in calculus, the optimization problem. So imagine you're running a business and you need to maximize your profits. You know that your profits are given by the formula P of x is equal to 100x minus 2x squared, where x is the number of units you produce. The question is, how many units should you produce to maximize your profits? To solve this optimization problem, we need to find a value of x that maximizes the profit function P of x. Let me just write it here. So we have P of x is equal to 100x minus 2x squared. The first step is to take the derivative of P of x with respect to x. So let's do that. So we just have 100 minus 4x. Next we need to set the derivative of P of x equal to 0 to find the critical point. So we have 100 minus 4x equal to 0. So we're just going to solve for x now. So we have 100 is equal to 4x. Therefore, x is equal to 100 divided by 4, which is equal to 25. The next thing that we need to do is determine whether this critical point is a maximum or a minimum. We can do this by looking at the second derivative of P of x. So the second derivative of P of x is just equal to minus 4. Since the second derivative is negative at the critical point x is equal to 25, we know that it is a maximum. Therefore, the optimal number of units to produce is 25, and that's the final answer to this problem. So just to recap, you write down your profit function, you take the first derivative of your profit function, we set the first derivative of the profit function equal to 0 and solve for x, and then we calculate the second derivative of the profit function and evaluate it at x. If you found this content useful, could you please make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps the channel out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.